Hey guys, welcome everyone to PrimeFX. We teach how to trade safely, not how to gamble. As you know, we have started our series from very basic to advanced. So today our topic is market structure shift, which is known as change of character (CHOCH). In last classes, we learned that market moves in an impulse, make a retracement, and then impulse, again retracement and impulse. And market keep moving in this way. But at a certain point, market shift its trend. If it was going bullish before, then market will start coming down. This phenomena of changing its direction from bullish to bearish is known as change of character or market shift. And vice versa in bearish trend, if market was going down, making impulse retracement, and at a certain time place, it started moving upward, making bullish impulse, then retracement, impulse and retracement. It is known as market structure shift from bearish to bullish. It is very easy to understand where market has shifted its trend because every trader do trades with trend. So it is also important to understand where trend is shifted. To note this, first of all, we mark some lines. Here, as I already told you in previous video, here is a break of structure line. Then here is again a break of structure line. But I didn't told you about, we will also mark the least lowest candle. If it is a bullish trend, then we will mark a red candle here and its lowest wick. Again here, a lowest wick. If any candle come here and closes below this, their market structure is shifted. Like here, we mark this break of structure line. It was going up. It should go up from here, as you know, but here market came down. It touched one time. It is not conditional to touch one time or not. Market can come directly down here and close a candle here, and coming started going down. Here we have to change our trend. Now we should stop buying and we should move towards selling. Let me bring you on chart for a live example. Here, as you know, market is going down, impulse, retracement, then impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, again an impulse. But here what happened? Market started making upward impulses and retracement, again upward impulses, retracement. So here market structure is shifted from bearish toward bullish. This is formally known as market structure shift. There are some certain conditions which we look here, that is it a structure shift or not. We will talk about those conditions in next video. Stay tuned. It was a very easy topic, but you have to do practice on it because as it seems easy, it is not easy, and it is a very important. I will summarize again. Market moves in impulses, retracement, impulses, retracement, impulse, retracement, but at a certain place, market trend shifted toward bearish and market may started making impulse in a bearish side. Here we will wait. Here we will wait, closing a candle below this low. These are the lows, but once break of structure is confirmed, previous low, we forget this previous low. Here break of structure is confirmed. We will wait for market to close below this latest low. Once it closes the latest low, now the bearish trend is started. So this was all about market structure shift or CHOCH. If you want to learn with us and you want to become a professional trader, you can join us. You can contact us on our WhatsApp for a complete 2 month of course where we teach from fundamental to sentiment analysis and very importantly market structure. Thank you so much. Please follow us here on this channel.